Bacteria are building a city on your teeth.
Stop right there. You are not turning these teeth into your home.
Oh no, it's the toothbrush.
Listen up. I will show you how to fight tooth bacteria. First rule, brush your teeth for 2 minutes twice a day.
The foam is breaking our plaque.
Exactly. Brushing helps remove plaque before it gets stronger.
Second rule, use Fluoride toothpaste. Why can't we reach the enamel? Because fluoride helps protect it. Third rule, clean between your teeth. Wait, how did they find us? Because bacteria love hiding where a toothbrush cannot reach. Sugar, our favorite food. Fourth rule, limit sugary snacks. Sugar feeds the bacteria that can cause tooth decay. Fifth rule, when you cannot brush, rinse with water after eating. Whoa, the leftovers are disappearing. Water can help rinse away food particles until you brush. Brush smart, clean between your teeth, use fluoride, limit sugar, and rinse when you need to.
We hate clean teeth.
And that is how you fight bacteria on your teeth.